Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Good morning, boys and girls. I am here in Little Rock, Arkansas, hanging out with Ando. He wants to, he's got an S70 seat in here, passenger side. Not the driver's side though. We're going to see about replacing his thermostat on his 850. He thinks he may have cylinder head issues. I don't know. He's been having coolant issues for a couple of months now. Alright, I'm here with this XC90. I seen coolant hanging off of that lower hose. I think just the seal was leaking there. So I think I'm going to leave that core in there, replace that seal, put a new pin in, because maybe this pin was damaged, wasn't holding it in good. I got a new pin, and we're going to go with that. If it leaks, I'll come back in a couple of months and do it again. I decided since I'm here, I'm just going to replace the core, just to be on the safe side. The core's a little different. This one's tan. So let me make these adjustments on this climate control, get this replaced. I stopped in St. Louis. You see the clip there. Got a new clip, 30767252, because I remember this one was a little beat up. So I'm going to put a new clip in here with the new heater core. Hopefully we will be good to go. No leaks. Be done with this. There we have it. Top clip all the way in. Bottom clip all the way in. Screw in. I'm going to put this panel here in. This was on the side. Couldn't get that in. Got these old seals and clip with that heater core. I'm going to go ahead and try to pour this coolant back in the engine after I get these panels on. So hopefully we are rolling along here. Go back up here and help Ando so he can use this to suck up some of this coolant. Let me get this panel under here. I pinched off these two hoses to save the coolant, so let me go ahead, pull these little vice grips off, get these paper towels, make sure I didn't create a leak there. Looks like I'm good to go. Drilled the head off that screw. Heck, I don't even remember what we did to the screw. Getting ready to brush that off. Thermostat looks brand new. Now Ando's telling me that coolant keeps forcing its way out of that bottle, which means the head's blown. So we're going to put this thermostat back in with some 10mm hexes, and Ando's going to sweet talk his girlfriend out of $800 so we can rebuild his cylinder head. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.